Now, we know that the stock markets here in the United States are closed tomorrow for the Christmas holiday, so today was a relatively slow day. We didn't see a lot of movement in AMC stock. We didn't see a lot of movement in any stocks for that matter. Volume was relatively low. People are out there taking their vacations a little bit early, and therefore the stock market didn't have a lot going on. AMC finished in the red, yes, but it was only down about 0.5%, so nothing to write home about. The major story right now is the improving fundamentals of AMC Entertainment. Now, in the video yesterday, we talked about the fact that they went out there and acquired 2 theaters that could be very large revenue-generating theaters and therefore increasing the top line. Everybody wants to increase the bottom line, but one of the ways to do so, I guess there's only 2 ways, one of the ways is to increase the top line and bring in more revenue. So that is great moving forward. And another thing we need to talk about that Adam Aaron just tweeted about was credit extensions, these debt extensions, and how they reflect an improving balance sheet and an improving income statement for AMC. So if all of this sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2021 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks, you can use the link in the description for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account, and a $100 deposit is going to get you at least 5 free stocks, and then any $1 crypto trade is going to get you at least $5 in free cryptocurrency. But you have to take advantage of that today. Even if you don't plan on going out there and making a trade, if you set your account up, you make your deposit, you get those 5 free stocks, and you're eligible for that $1 crypto trade getting you 5. But the promotion ends today. So if you don't do it today, you're probably getting 2 stocks instead of 5. AMC is doing phenomenally, guys. Now, I'm focused on an AMC short squeeze. I don't care how well AMC does until it starts to justify prices above $28 per share, right? We currently don't justify prices at $28 per share based on the revenue, based on the debt, based on the net earnings down there. We need to continue improving. But the short squeeze numbers are beautiful at this point. But let's just backtrack a little bit to the fundamentals for a minute. So yesterday, we talked about the acquisition of these 2 theaters that should drastically increase the revenue for AMC. They're going to be, they're very large theaters. So, of course, they're going to be bringing in a lot of money. And I don't think that Adam Aaron would go out there and acquire these theaters if they weren't going to be very large revenue-generating places. So, aside from that, let's talk about the debt, because Adam Aaron just tweeted that we will have these extensions of credit through June of 2023. Now, that is a very big deal, because just at the beginning of this year, nobody wanted to loan AMC Entertainment any money. AMC was face-to-face with bankruptcy. AMC was on the verge of collapsing. AMC had very limited revenue. They were unable to pay their bills, and the apes absolutely swooped in and saved them. So if you're wondering whether or not you took part in the salvation of AMC as a company, you absolutely did. How? Why, you're asking? Simply because AMC, trading at these elevated levels, was able to go out there and raise over $1 billion that they put on their balance sheet as liquid assets. Guys, $1.6 billion, and I don't know how much they spent on these theaters, but $1.6 billion in cash, or cash equivalents on the balance sheet, and then another $200 million, bringing the total to $1.8 billion in liquid assets, has allowed AMC to go out there and I guess, I don't even know what the correct term is, but, confirm additional financing moving forward. Now, this is huge. For a couple of reasons. One, it's just great that AMC can access this financing through channels other than diluting the stock. I hate when they dilute the stock. I don't like it. I guess, they did it throughout 2021. I believe $1.6 billion is plenty that they made during this. And Okay, I'm not going to go on a dilution rant, but knowing that they have access to this financing at least through 2023 is going to be huge. And it speaks volumes to how these analysts, how these credit analysts are viewing the fundamentals of AMC. Because very similar to the way a hedge fund that's going to short AMC would do their analysis and say, okay, AMC is in a very tight spot. AMC does not have access to financing. AMC is slowing or losing revenue on an annualized basis. We should short the company. The exact opposite is taking place when these creditors are going out there and looking. They're saying, you know what? Okay, AMC is growing revenue. You know what? AMC has liquid assets on their balance sheet. We can afford and we can continue to loan AMC money. This is excellent news because it justifies why we can continue to be here. Now, I'm excited about the short squeeze numbers, but in order to be excited and not just take a gamble, you have to be sure that the company you're investing in is going to stay around. And the fact that AMC can continue to secure this financing, albeit they have a lot of debt on the balance sheet right now, these creditors are still and continuing and willing to loan to them on a continual basis. It gives you peace of mind knowing that the underlying company, in this case AMC, is not going to be going out of business, and therefore the reason the shorts short them in the first place doesn't make sense anymore. Now, a short's ultimate goal is to watch the company go out of business so they don't have to buy the stock back, so they don't have to realize that gain, so they don't have to pay taxes on these realized gains, and so that they can walk away with a 100% gain on that position. That is off the table at this point for the short positions on AMC. Everything seems to be improving. And I know, yes, I understand that the shorts continue to have these positions right now and continue to keep them open because they believe that AMC stock is overvalued. I get that part of it. But they can no longer have that confidence that AMC is facing bankruptcy when AMC has access to essentially all of the money that they need to continue operating into the future. So I want to know what you guys think down in the comments below. What do you think about AMC securing this financing? Is it going to be a good thing? Are they going to continue on? And my goodness, the numbers are looking good right now. So inspire the rest of us to continue holding down there. If that button's still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram. Make sure you don't follow any of the fake accounts out there. So just click the link for Twitter in the description if you want to follow me. Webull, Binance, Gemini in the description as well. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.